Lahaina, Maui, and there's a smokestack from the sugar cane. And then they have signs that tells you about it, and the stuff they use to make the sugar cane. But guess what I stumbled upon? Steam lovers will love this. Couple old steam engines from the sugarcane train. Look at that one over there. And I've taken lots of photos, and go to my Google Plus page to see them. But look inside this old steam locomotive. And up there is the whistle. You can see some of the, a lot of that. You can see where the firebox is. And it's on a little piece of track. I'll take you around. Just pause it and read it. Oops, sorry. Number 3. There's another good shot of the whistle and the bell. There's the smokestack. Some of the wheels. The oil. And snow plow. This one has a red snow plow. The headlight, which is on the smokestack. Now let's take a look at this one. Like I said, it's got a red snow plow. Here's the smokestack. Headlight. I'm on the side of it here. Lahaina number 1. And there's some of these too. Levers. There's the track. And right there is a smokestack. It's 225 feet in height. So that's pretty cool. And stay tuned for more. That's it.